The Samsung Galaxy A57 is a compelling addition to Samsung's lineup, offering a blend of advanced features and reliable performance that caters to a wide range of users. Design and display. The Galaxy A57 boasts a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. This screen delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing the viewing experience for both media consumption and daily tasks. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, making interactions feel fluid and engaging. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, the display is designed to withstand daily wear and tear, adding to its durability. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 is powered by the Exynos 2200 chipset, built on a 4nm process. This octa-core processor, combined with the Samsung Eclipse 920 GPU, ensures efficient performance for multitasking, gaming, and other demanding applications. The device comes with options of 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage variants of 128GB or 256GB, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. However, it's worth noting that there is no microSD card slot for storage expansion. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile camera setup on the Galaxy A57. The rear features a triple camera system, a 1.8MP main sensor with a 1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens with a 123 field of view, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. This combination allows users to capture detailed photos in various scenarios, from expansive landscapes to close-up portraits. The device supports 4K video recording at 3060 FPS, ensuring high-quality video capture. For selfies, the 32MP front camera offers clear and vibrant images, also supporting 4K video recording. Battery life. Equipped with a 5500 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, the Galaxy A57 ensures extended usage, catering to both casual and power users. The device supports 45 West wired charging, allowing for quick recharging, with a full charge achievable in less than 70 minutes. Additionally, reverse wired charging is available, providing flexibility for charging other devices on the go. Additional features. The Galaxy A57 comes with an under-display optical fingerprint sensor and face unlock for secure and convenient access. While it features stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, which may require users to adapt to wireless audio solutions. The device runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, offering a user-friendly interface and a commitment to 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security updates, ensuring long-term support and feature enhancements. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A57 stands out as a well-rounded smartphone, delivering a premium display, robust performance, versatile camera capabilities, and reliable battery life. Its combination of features makes it a strong contender in its segment, appealing to users seeking a device that balances innovation with practicality.